Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Adsan Mahindra hakakat sautrik ukalalingkot arhajar arpunrio kala penlat Paidbah no saya artali kakali Thymmai kata ka XEV 9S bat ka XUV 7XO ya kabala pelat Paidbah ha showroom jong ka Adsan Mahindra ha Mawïong rim. Hashwaban pelat Paidbah ya ka nikakali la penlong shwa da ka jingilang ka balingkot ha kaba uba Mahindra rapsang ulalong kum kongsan bat ka samla Irene Khar kum ka sembut kongsan kibala play Paidbah ru ya kate ka kali hagni ka singi ladon langru kinong trei kali kinong trei ka Adsan Mahindra Mawïong rim kinong shakhot snobha bat kiwe hagni ka jingyalang layo ya ka jing batai ya ka jing trei kam jong ka ni ka kali ka Thymmai da usil manager ka Adsan Mahindra Mawïong rim.
Two and three. I think we'll look for something that will give me a relax.
You want to relax. You want to relax things. So what kind of relax you want? You want the AC to be comfortable with you, sitting the rear passenger. So you are you are a model. So you like to sit behind, right?
No, acts in the front.
You sit in the front. So you go with your family. You go outing with your family.
Yes.
So you have your mom, dad, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
So you tell them to sit behind.
Yes.
So you want them also to be comfort because you are buying such kind of cars for your
Exactly.
family. So what do you want in this car? Like for relaxing?
Something to entertain them behind.
Okay,
Probably.
so we have got in this BYOD. So that means bring your own device. You can put 2 tablets on the both of the seats, and you can enjoy like whatever video you are playing from your infotainment system. You can even your mom and dad don't need to come in between and to struggle around and check the videos, right? They can have the tablet on the seats and they can enjoy the movies if you're going for a long drive. And one more thing, to make it cozy, you can even use ventilated seats right on the rear seats. None other companies gives you that. And for that, we have the one more best things like your mom and dad, I guess they have crossed 50. So for that, in this car, we have got Devon C suspensions, one of the best and world #1 suspension. Till date, if not even BMW, Mercedes, Audi, they don't use it, except us. We are using it first ever in this car. Okay, so in this car you have got 3 screens. So for that, one is for your driver, one is to look for your car infotainment, and one is for your to do your videos and all. So there are some people who like to use a car for their office use, like say Zoom, like say WhatsApp calling. So they have their team meetings and all. You can even use this. Why to use your phones? Keep your phone, you just connect your phone once. After that, you just put your, after connecting your phone, you just on your team views, you can on your Zoom TVs, you can on your WhatsApp, and you can do the video conference on your car itself. So with that, even it's a 7-seater car. So you can have a luxurious feeling on the car. Plus, you have got foam sitting in the car. So what will happen is, for a long period of time, I guess everyone have a car. So you can see your seats are getting squeezed day by day. Whenever you get to seat, the seats used to get squeezed day by day. But in this car, we have got memory foams. So the seats will never get squeezed. Okay, it'll be as it is, the way it is, since the day you bought and the day you are getting rid of it. Okay. After that, we are having, for your luxurious journey, we are having 19-inch alloy wheels. Plus, for the powerful, you have 2.2-liter engine in diesel that gives you 185 bhp and 380 Nm of torque. And for petrol, we have 2-liter engine with 200 bhp with 400 Nm of torque. So you can have the amazing power of this. And we come to the EV. So everyone have the question in EV. They don't want to buy EV in Shillong. Why? Because non-charging station in Shillong. It's a normal thing. But if I say one charge, you can go 4 times up down Guwahati. What do you think about it? One time charge, Shanghai Shillong Baragaway, Tang Shitayo Shisni Filaban charge technically. From don't come Rebanle Dakanikali, you have late Shubrum Hapo petrol pump. With this car, one charge, 500 km plus you're getting. And if you drive nicely, like you drive it for like a normal cars, you can even go till 624 kilometers. With my own experience, I have done this.